This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com, your one-stop shop for all things podcasting and remote learning. Hello and welcome to my quick tutorial on how to use auto ducking in Audacity. Now this is something that I use when I'm creating an intro or an outro into something and I want some music leading into it, and then I want it to come down so that you can hear the talking on top of it and then come back up again to kind of create a seamless transition. So what I'm going to do here is open up this Groovin hi-hat rim, or Groovin rim hat as it's called, and it's a drum beat here, and you can hear it right here like this. So I'm talking right now on it, but it's still at the same volume, so I'm competing for your attention with the drum beat. So what I want is for when I'm talking, for that to go into the background so you can focus on my voice, and then when I'm done talking I want it to come back up again. So I'm going to stop that there, and then we're going to record me saying something. So I'll bring it over here and we'll move some stuff around. So I'll hit the record button. So here I am recording and giving the voiceover. So I will have had the drum beat introducing, and then you're going to listen to me talk, and it's going to auto duck down, and then it's going to come back up again when I'm done. So I'll hit stop on this. So now what I'm going to do is take my voiceover and move it, and I'm going to put it right in the middle of my drum beat. And again, you could do this with two different pieces of music or beats or whatever like that, but I'm just going to dump this right in the middle here to illustrate the point. So now I select my drum beat, I go up into my effects, and then I pick auto duck. Now, I had previously messed around with this and set the floor way low. So what this is going to do is it's going to drop out in about a half second down to, I'll go minus 10. Here we go. So minus 10 decibels. And then as soon as I'm done talking, it'll come right back up again to the original volume. And so you can actually see that here with the waveforms kind of dropping down. So I'll go back to the beginning and play it, and then you can hear what the effect is on that. So here I am recording and giving the voiceover. So I will have had the drum beat introducing, and then you're going to listen to me talk, and it's going to auto duck down, and then it's going to come back up again when I'm done. So I'll hit stop on this. So the really cool effect of that is you can create an intro where it kind of fades down into almost nothing, or into nothing if you want, and get your voiceover on it. You can keep continuous music underneath, and then you can bring it back up again to the original volume if you want. And you can do all of that using just the auto duck, which is a super simple feature. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful for another piece of functionality with Audacity, and thank you so much for watching. If you're facing a unique problem with podcasting or remote learning, we can help. Reach out to us at thepodcastingstore.com and we'll see what solutions we can find for you. And if you like what you hear, do me a favor and tell a friend. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and sign up for our e-newsletter, and you'll never miss another podcast or video again. This is Drew with thepodcastingstore.com. Thank you for listening.